Pomera is a line of minimalist writing computers from the Japanese company Kingjim. There have been several models in the last 10 years or so, but in general the idea is that they are super portable devices with adequate keyboards, monochrome displays and long-lasting battery life, so you can take one and bring it to light. Right when you need it, you can then transfer text to your phone or computer through a QR code or microSD card. Now Kingjim will bring Pomera to the US for the first time through a Kickstarter campaign. The specific model is the DM30, which will be launched in Japan next month and has a folding keyboard design like the rest of the DM line. The screen is a 6-inch e-ink panel and the battery should last 20 hours without two AA batteries. One caveat: the keyboard uses Japanese design, which I think is a great design, but it will take a little time to get used to. Kingjim has just called the American version of the DM30 Pomera, and is ready to ship in November of this year.